Accessing Amazon Mini TV in Canada is quite straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to watch it. Start by opening Google and searching for an Indian VPN. This is necessary because Amazon Mini TV is currently only available in India. One such VPN is Urban VPN, which provides free Indian IP addresses. Go to the Urban VPN website and click on the free download option, which will open the Chrome Web Store. Add the Urban VPN extension to your Chrome browser. Once the extension is added, you'll see the Urban VPN icon on your browser. Click on it, select India as your location, and turn it on. With the VPN activated and set to an Indian IP, you can now access Amazon Mini TV. Navigate to the Amazon Mini TV website by going to amazon.in/minutv. You should now be able to watch Amazon Mini TV content as if you were in India. This process effectively bypasses geographical restrictions, allowing you to enjoy Amazon Mini TV from Canada.